my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell about parts of speech. But what is parts of speech? Parts of speech are the words which are used in our sentences. The parts of speech can be categorized into 8 parts: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Friends, in this video we are just going to learn about nouns. If you want to know other parts of speech, then you can subscribe our channel and get the notifications and know about other parts of speech. So, before knowing something, we should know that what is that. Nouns. What is nouns? A noun is the name of any person, animal, place, thing, material, and even emotions or ideas. So, we have already learned that what is noun. But noun is also categorized into 5 parts. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. So, what is common noun? Common noun refers to the general names of places, persons, or objects. For example, boys, park, chairs, etc. Proper nouns. Proper nouns refers to the names of particular places, persons, and objects. Examples are John, Delhi, and Chennai. What is collective nouns? Collective noun refers to the names of a collection or groups of persons, animals, or things forming a unit. For example, army of soldiers, colony of ants, nation of country. What is abstract nouns? Abstract nouns refers to the names of qualities, ideas, emotions, and such things which you cannot see or touch. For example, friendship, honesty, and beauty. And now, what is material noun? Material nouns refers to the names of materials or substances used as ingredients for making things. For example, water, iron, steel, etc. Friends, I will provide you some materials and exercises in description. So please check it out and give the answers in comment box. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye to all. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the